Hi friends, now I'll show you the answer for physics 12th physics March 2019. Question number 1 option D, question number 2 option C, question number 3 option D 2:1, question number 4 option C xenon flashlight, question number 5 option B capacitor, question number 6 option A, question number 7 option A, question number 8 option C, question number 9 option A 1:1, question number 10 option A, question number 11 option C, question number 12 option C, question number 13 option D 1/300 second, question number 14 option D 25 watts, question number 15 option B small couple per unit twist. Next, two mark questions. Next, 3 mark questions. Next, 5 mark questions. Okay friends, if the video is useful, you can share this with your friends. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you friends.